Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no SIM card or SIM card failure on iPhone. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, the first thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner like this, and then you need to turn on airplane mode for just 5 or 10 seconds like this. After that, just wait a little bit and then turn it off. So after that, if you still got this problem, the second thing you need to do is to open your iPhone settings, then scroll down a little bit and then find mobile service option. Here it is. And then if you see a message that you have a network updates available, you need to click on the update button. So in my situation there is no updates available, so just the first thing you need to do if you still got this problem is to remove and reinsert your SIM card. So all you need to do is to remove your SIM card using the injector, and then after a few seconds you need to reinsert your SIM card. So after that, if you still got this problem, the third thing you need to do is to restart your phone by pressing your volume up button and your turn off button. So then after restarting, if you still got this problem, the last thing you need to do is to open your iPhone settings again, then go to home page like this, then find general option. Here it is. In this interface you need to scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone. Here it is. And then at the bottom of the screen click on the first option, reset, and then click on the reset network settings. So after that you will see this interface. You need to enter your passcode, and then your network settings will be resetted and your problem will be fixed. So and that's all, and that's how to fix no SIM card or SIM card failure on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.